direction. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 15th to the 19th of June 2026 on Monday. Kumo brings Gia good news about the bail hearing. Lulama discovered that her phone recorded a secret conversation. Fikile is shocked to learn that Jack wants his family to speak to Ben about Lobola. Lucy becomes suspicious of G-Wagon and Sebe on Tuesday. G-Wagon offers Nomasebe advice while she finishes his portrait. Kumo and Gia are digi with anticipation of her release, unaware that Ululu could blow the prospect out of the water. On the 16th, Jack Mabaso finally tells us his history on Wednesday. Tao and Lulu sit on an explosive evidence. G-Wagon goes against Jack's wishes. Kumo is overconfident about Gia's release. Jack and Sam have an unexpected reaction to Jack's story on Thursday. Kumo and Gia confuse Kamogelo with their new outlook on life. Tao makes up his mind after his demand is rejected. Who will survive his new scheme? Lulu's guilty eats away at her as a new request arrives on Friday. Ndando successfully uses his inherited gift of the grab on G-Wagon. The bribe story is over everywhere, and Lulu feeling guilty for her part in it. The situation creates tension between Kumo and Kamo and devastates Gia. Jack and G-Wagon's cousins arrives. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.